What's up, you guys? Wait, hold on. What's up, YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I will be showing you everything that I bought from Shein, and it's like really big boxes. And I already opened one because, to be honest, I thought that this was something for my online store and I needed to test something out. But it was my second purchase from Shein because I purchased on Black Friday and I was like, this is not enough. I wanted to do like a black and white Black Friday winter white theme. So I'm just gonna be showing you what I got. I'm not gonna do like a try on. But yeah, I will soon be styling 5 different looks that you'll be seeing in today's video. And I just want to quickly open the 2 boxes. So let's get started. So quickly, this package is the second box that came. So it all matches up together. Because my first purchase, it was a lot of stuff. But when I was looking through everything, it just wasn't adding up. The lookbook that I had planned for the 5 days of Shein looks, it just wasn't complete. So I bought more stuff. So this is the more stuff. It's already open, so you know, let's just open it. It might be a try on. This coat is so cute. It might be a try on, you guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's literally is my bed. Can you see my bed? Oh my gosh, there's black fuzz all over me. Okay, whatever. Well, that's how you know how she is. Okay. This is a size large. Hold on, let me see how much fuzz is on me. Okay, you guys, when I seen that there was only 2 left in stock, I'm like, oh my god, that looks so cute. The way that she was modeling it was so freaking cute. So all you do, here, I'll do it. All you do is like go like this. Hold on, it'd be better on my pants. Tuck this in. So yeah, you see like the little pouch and stuff. So just go with that. Yeah, that's one side. And you know how like most compression garments don't get the lower part of the tummy? This one's so freaking cool. Sucks you in. and then it like pulls in your love handles so it pops your booty in more. Oh my gosh, I love it. And obviously it's super popular because there's only two left. It's so cool. I just wanted to show you because it was in there, but it's not for my black and white haul. But since I'm just, when I do the lookbook, it's just gonna be the black and white stuff. So I guess I'll show you what I actually got from Shein. I seen these and I was like, that is so cool. I've always had the idea in my head and I can never find them. I've seen them before and like they're really, really thick. I don't know. These are just for your underarms. So I think I'm gonna do like a filming of me painting. And I don't know if I might be sweaty or not. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, maybe not. But just in case, I don't want that to like show on camera. So that's like a little secret, you know what I'm saying? Like a BTS thing, behind the scenes thing. Wardrobe. It's like putting these underneath like your clothing item if you're filming. The lights are so hot and you setting up is hot, and you should set up like a way before you start filming anyway. But I'm just saying, like if you get really warm and you want to be sweaty, I don't know what the heck, or like if you have a presentation, you know what I'm saying? What? And you're wearing like a button-up shirt, that's what it's, I think they're like mostly for. So this pretty little thing, no, it's plastic. I don't know, it might just be a design. I don't know if I want to put my lash glue on it. But this is not, I don't think this is actual stone. It feels like resin, and I can peel that off. Do I want to peel it off? I'll probably even make my own, like now that I'm like looking at this. Yeah, it looks like alcohol paints and resin, and I don't know how they got that effect. I was like amazed at, it's so freaking cute. So right here. Actually, you guys, thanks for chilling in my room with me and keeping me company. That is so cool. Thank you. That is so sweet. Thank you so much for watching my other video of me unboxing and playing with my boxes. Oh, some pantyhose. Some thicker pantyhose. They're not footless, right? No, yes, they're so perfect for the winter here. They're not thin, they're not thick. Like I'm over here like reading fleece lined, and I was like, whoa, I've had those before. Like, you know the leggings that they sell in Walgreens with the fleece inside? Those are comfortable. But to be honest, if you're like a lower body, fuller girl, you kind of like slide down. Sorry. Cute little fanny pack. Because I haven't got a fanny pack since last year. I posted videos of me, of why I needed a fanny pack. Since I was doing like a white and black theme, I'm like trying to go over the different styles in my head that I'm creating. And look, I got 3 bags so far and no outfits. What in the heck? Okay, so all the outfits must be in this one. So actually, let me raise it. Okay, so we're good. We got outerwear, and we have accessories like bags, and we have 2 pairs of shoes. Where are my scissors? They are. Hair check, hair check. That's okay. I did not know that they were red. I just thought they were white. So I have some paint splatter pants. thought this was black. This is gray. I love playing basketball, and I really honestly thought it was freaking black. I'm kind of mad it's not black. These are just pantyhose, and then they'll look like stockings if you're wearing boots. Oh, this is a two pieces. Let me take a look. See, so this is already an outfit that was easy. You know what I'm saying? They have so many sets. This was a free gift. So cute. Oh, this is another jacket. So I have another outerwear. So I have like very dressy with the pea coat. And I'm not going to try it on. I'm going to wait. And I also have like the leather with the fur. This can be worn anyway, to be honest. Finally, a little bit of white, because you already know I live in black and I dream in color. Super chill. This is so freaking cute. So 90s. Has a little bit of black, has a little bit of white. I don't know why I'm into clothing items with this circle right there. This is definitely like a Monday vibe. Monday, Wednesday. Cute! So excited. That is so freaking cute. No, I did not. These are kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie. Ew. Oh, I kind of like them with the gym shoes. I was like looking at them and then like all the gym shoes are laid out. I was like, ooh, what shoes would I wear? Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to style. Why? Okay. Yeah, I could wear like color, you know what I'm saying? But there's just like something about wearing black. I freaking love black clothing. I mean, I've said it in other videos. I was a makeup artist for so long. Like, anytime I would go shopping, like, that's what I had to shop for, is like working like over 40 hours a week, you know? And then you just have to work professionally. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I was like, obviously I had this style in my head. So look how cute. Is this corduroy? Like this. so cute. So much stuff. Just t-shirts. Right, you guys, so I'm going to start rearranging clothes so that way I can take pictures for you guys and show you what I came up with. I thought there was more stuff, to be honest with you. There's a lot of stuff. I probably, to be honest, I want to go shopping again and use more coupons. I'm like all shy about it. I'm like, I want to go shopping again, and like, but to be honest, we can definitely work something out with this. So if you're interested in seeing all of the ways that I want to style my Shein haul, just subscribe and look out for that video. It should be coming 2021 when the snow is really like nice and white, and it just looks really cute with like the black and white theme with this jacket. And so I'm kind of waiting for like a snowfall, but I don't want to wait too long to like let this video drag on any longer, because I did get it, like I said, Black Friday. I just wanted to show you what I got already, and I didn't want to extend this video into the 2021 new year. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy chilling in my room with me and unboxing some fashion. This time it's not like beauty, but if you were interested in some really detailed beauty products that I got, a lot of free gifts. Ulta was doing like a lot of free gifts. That's in my Cyber Monday Ulta video. And yes, thank you so much, you guys. Bye.